Hello and welcome back to my chess course, and this section will be devoted to bishop endgames. And in this lecture I will describe you how to play with a good bishop versus bad one. Look at this position. White has two pawns fixed on dark squares, which is enough to cost him the game. It's black to move. Please pause this video and think about black's plan. Okay, we continue. Black plays king to d7, a typical idea. Black cannot penetrate on the king side, so he plans to widen the front by playing his king to b5 and then advancing a5, a4. This will open a path into white's position via the queen side. This position is from the game between Van Valley and Kramnik. Kramnik was playing for black, and he realized that he can still win even if he trades a pawn. I mean, 2 pawns will be enough to win the position. King e2, king c6, king d3, king b5, king c2, a5, king d3, a4, trading pawns, b takes on a4, king takes on a4, bishop f2. If king goes to c2, then black king gets in by king a3, bishop f2, king b4, king d3, king b3. So bishop f2 immediately, king b3, bishop e1, king b2, bishop f2, king c1, bishop e3 check. If king e2, then king c2. And after this check, black plays king d1. Bishop goes back to f2. If bishop f4, then bishop b4 would be played. Bishop a3, king e3, bishop c1 check, king d3, bishop d2, bishop e3. If black trades bishop, it will be a draw. That's why bishop e1. Bishop f4, defending the pawn on g3. Bishop f2. Bishop e5, king e1. The black king has come a long way over the past 16 moves, but he has penetrated to the very heart of white's position. King c3, king e2, king b4, king f3, king c5, king e4. And white is in Zugzwang. If he plays with the bishop, then he loses one of these pawns. If he plays with his king, he loses on d4. White resigned in this position. From this lecture I want you to remember that you should place your pawns on the square of opposite color than the enemy bishop is. For example, in this position, when you're playing against dark square bishop, you should place your pawns on light squares, like this. This pawn also can be moved to a6. And another thing that you should learn is that... Thank you for your attention. We will continue in the next lecture.